Hey guys, I'm gonna get my hair done. It's for Halloween because I take my hair down and it's a lot of hair. Turn up the music.
Let's see what it is.
Top that. Yeah, that's it. We're almost here. That's not my favorite Jesus song, but I'll get it. And look at my what I get it for my hair.
Pull it out the bag.
Okay, let me show you guys. Hold on, guys. So this is what I'm getting for my hair. It's pretty. Mama, what's it called? Crochets or something like that?
No, that's too close, Bria. If you can't see it in the camera. Let me see. Because it might be blurred. There you go. These are called Singalese twists.
Singalese twists. I don't know.
Last time you had faux locks.
Faux locks.
Yep. Tell them what you're going to be for Halloween.
Guys, you better guess. Comment down below, what do you think I'm going to be for Halloween? Okay, guys? Do you want me to tell you my, who's doing my hair? Miss Jessica. And guess what? She had the same birthday as me. So, guys, I'm very, very excited because Mommy did my hair rough, and I'm tender-headed. And my mom is tender-headed too. A lot. It's too much combing. But we're here. We're here, everybody. So, what we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna show you who's doing my hair. You gotta see me, right? So, comment down below if you want to come to my house. Comment down below. And then you can tell your mama and your daddy, but that only says if your mom and your dad says you can come to my house. I can show you. See? Okay. Ooh, it's hot. See that? Salon? That's where we're going, guys. Oh, she's here. She's here, guys. Look this way. Why is she not looking this way?
Hey, get your hair done, girl.
Yeah.
Oh, you vlogging? Oh, okay. I cannot. Hey.
That's her. That's her.
So I already washed it.
It's ugly.
It's okay, we about to make it cute, right?
Oh,
You about to make it cute, girl.
nobody can see my hair. It's ugly. No. So you only can see my face. Oh. No. It's ugly, guys. We're about to get fixed, so duh. I got my hair done, but I know it was taking too long, but I got my hair done. It hurts so much. I play in this game. You want to see this? She's so pretty. I made her with her friends, her BFFs. I'm finally done. Boop. Finally done. So, I'm done. And look at my hair.
Turn.
Come on, guys. we're done. Guys, we had a lot of time. It's like a lot of grease in my hair. A lot. Guess what, guys? We're gonna carve a pumpkin. I'm so excited. I can't wait till I carve my pumpkin because you can make your own face. And then we're gonna save it for Halloween for sure. Mommy, we're going to pumpkin patch. Huh? What's it called?
We're gonna go pick a pumpkin. We could go to Walmart to pick a pumpkin. We could go to Jewel to pick a pumpkin. We could go to maybe Target. I don't know. Where we got a pumpkin? We could go to Aldi. They probably got pumpkin.